saying Vodafone buys itself 2 years worth of talk time. I hope it's more than 2 years. And I think the company shareholders, all stakeholders would want that. It's been a good day for Vodafone Idea. Very, very large volumes, which we will contextualize in a bit from now. I think we're sort of wrapping up things. So, Amrish, thank you very much for joining us. Great to speak with you, and thanks as always for joining us. Nifty will end not at the day's high. It was looking like it's going to be a 200-point up day. It's a 150-point up day, but given as it may, it's a very good close. 22,560 is where the Nifty is ending. The Nifty Bank will come up on your screen. Mid caps about 1/3%, 0.4% kind of gains there, and the small cap index doing better than the mid cap index with almost 0.75% there. So all in all, a good session once again.
Absolutely. If I talk about sort of some of the key movers and shakers, a lot of the other banks made up for the drama that was displayed out there with Kotak Mahindra Bank. That stock's ending with a cut of about 11%. No sign of buyers coming in at all through the course of the day. But on the other end of the spectrum is Axis Bank. What a superb set of numbers for the fourth quarter, and the market really saluting the stock with a 6% up move. SBI was a close second, 5% up over there. And then you have even some of the others like IndusInd Bank, ICICI, some green across the board. A lot of PSU banks, by the way, they've had a very, very good session. So names like IOB, Central Bank of India, UCO Bank, 3, 4, 5%, depending on which one you're picking up. On the large cap screen, other gainers included Nestle, Hero Motor had a decent session, ITC was contributing, and so was Eicher Motors. So a couple of auto stocks doing quite well. I'm just checking Bajaj Finance because that's the next number we'll be talking about tomorrow when we come back. Down about 0.5%.
Well, we have been alerting our viewers about manganese ore prices moving up, and that could potentially be a price increase that comes about in May, at the start of May, because there's a disruption in the Australian mine. Well, look at MOIL. MOIL was up close to around 10%. We had highlighted this yesterday as well. The stock, it did fairly well yesterday. Today, it moves to the high point of the day. It got that combination of PSU as well as metal, so that stock did well. And the other one we have been telling you about is Indian Metals. That as well, these are niche players. That's why we're telling you, because that's the only way if you want to play manganese ore, there's only one listed play. If you want to play ferrochrome prices, there's only one, which is Indian Metals. Both those two moved higher, and the volume spiked up in the final hour of trade. We've been telling you about these stocks at much lower levels as well.
All right, I think it's a wrap on this edition, a closing bell from all of us here. Goodbye. Thanks very much for staying with us. But markets forward, we'll pick up on the action.